Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 4. And I promise you this will be the last one. I've made several different types of hearts, shapes with this, and I started thinking this would make a really good contour. I've already done it, but I think it would be better if I make it both sides like this, which is a dark to light contour. If you've never worked with a contour and engraved it, uh, I might even engrave this tomorrow. And if you remember, I don't ever throw anything away or delete anything on the page until I know I'm done. I am going to separate this, so I need to fill this in with red. Doesn't matter what color you use. So you've got 4 different ones, and like I said, I'm gonna make them all the same this time. So I can select all these now and left click, right click in black. Now, I think I have to do them individually. I don't think I can group them together and actually contour them, but we'll see. Go to effects and contour. Well, it's going to work. So to the center at 0.001 into a light gray. Why it worked. Now, the one thing you will have to do is you have to break the contour apart and probably ungroup them. But that was pretty fast. And then just put it back together. And you know what? I might have a line underneath there, which I do. So you want to move them all and get rid of that line, because that might cause you problems. Whoop. I must have done the same one. You know what I did? I smart filled the outside both times. I need a smaller one, so I'm going to left click, right click, and contour it. Now I'm going to move it over. I'm just nudging on my arrow keys. Wow. Look, because I did one of them out of order. And that in itself looks pretty cool, but we want to put this to the back of the layer. Now they're both the same. Now we actually need to, I'm going to go ahead and delete these. We actually need to kind of put these together and turn them into a bitmap for my intersect tool to work. Convert to bitmap, just regular, it doesn't matter what color, because it's just a grayscale. Takes just a second because there's a lot going on. And then we're going to turn this into a bitmap. I don't think you'd want to do them together, or they'd be kind of semi-glued together, maybe. And then we're going to use the intersect tool as soon as my laptop catches up. And I actually like working the other way, so I'm going to put this one. It wouldn't really matter. I'm going to put that on the top of the page. Now I'm going to draw that rectangle tool and make sure I get, you know what, I figured out you can even go past there. And you've got the rectangle selected, then select this group and go intersect. I'm going to nudge it over that way. And then grab your rectangle, and as long as you get, that little corner, hold down the shift and select it again, intersect. And then you can get rid of your rectangle, grab this piece and go up to object, order back a page, and then put these two back. And look at that. They look like they're intermingled, contoured. This is what one of my mentors, my main mentor, Roy Brewer, calls the poor man 3D, because you created it. It's not a great 3D, but it will engrave like that. And I think I'm going to save that, engrave it tomorrow. And if I do, I might make another video and just kind of show it off. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.